This tutorial demonstrates the steps to set up a cloud desktop pool using Workspot control for your vSphere private cloud. Start by logging into Workspot control with your account. Navigate to the top of the page, click on Resources, and then select Add Pool on the Cloud Desktop Pool Setup page. On the Setup page, use the drop-down menu next to Select Cloud to choose the VM or private cloud you previously created. In the following field, choose the VMware configuration and specify whether you want persistent or non-persistent desktops under Desktop Pool Type. Click Search next to Select Template and then click Search again. Your previously created template will appear in the list. Choose the template. Select the host or cluster and specify the resource pool and data store. Provide a name for the desktop pool and a display name. Enter the number of desktops you want to deploy and select a prefix for the desktop name. Make a suitable choice for the field called Route Through Gateway. For this tutorial, we'll select the value of Never. Optionally choose Single Sign-On using a username and password as your login type and fill in the login domain accordingly. Finally, click Create, and Workspot control will initiate the desktop provisioning process. The status of Ready will be displayed next to each desktop as they are provisioned.